Alright, I'm out here at the Wauhatchie Pike Road crossing number 3 in Wauhatchie, Tennessee. Technically Chattanooga, but doesn't really matter. We do have a slight update here. The newer signal that had been here, that had all Safetran 12x20 inch lights, as you can see, has been replaced. The current signal, it had the new signal here, the replacement signal, it appears to be reused as a Safetran base. In fact, it is reusing that for a fact. Right here's the emergency information. You see dot number 725-690H. The old dot number is mostly visible here. As you can see, it starts with 73156, and I can't really entirely make out the rest. It looks like it had been 1G, if anyone wants to try looking that up. But hang on. Burn Road. So yeah, 731516G Burn Road. Anyways, the lights on this signal are all Safetran 12x24 inch lights now, like the original signal here originally had. However, these ones are all the Hawker Siddelli branded ones. Not entirely sure where this would have come from, TB8, to be quite honest, because of the fact that, well, there ain't, not aware of too many crossings that were gateless and had like lights from the early 90s like that. But the other signal over there is basically entirely unchanged. As able to hear the Safetran mechanical bell bit, still sounds about the same as it did when I recorded it. I want to say last year. So I'm glad to see this is still around, still gateless, still got the mechanical bell. But yeah, the sun's setting, so I'm probably going to see about wrapping up this video real fast. But anyways, I've got a... this is just a quick update here to the Wauhatchie Pike Road crossing number 3 in Wauhatchie, Tennessee. Saw this and figured I might as well go ahead and get this update recorded. Over and out.